Do you struggle with remembering your script during the video? Like you say, I've forgotten? Well, today, in this video, we are going to learn about scripting your video so that you don't struggle, you don't forget anything that you want to say in your video. Welcome guys, I'm Trello Godness and this is our 30-day masterclass on content. Hello and welcome guys to day number 6 of our 30-day content creation masterclass. So I'm very happy that you are following these videos every day, and I hope that you are putting into practice everything that I'm sharing with you. If you have got any questions, you are welcome to comment, and then I am going to help you. So today we are going on video that is action-packed. So for today, we are going to be learning how to create the content that you're going to share on your video. So this is called scripting. We are going to be looking at how to script and plan your videos, how to get or how to set up everything that you're going to say in your video. That is scripting. How are you going to write the script? How are you going to recite? How are you going to say? How are you going to put your words or your points in order? So on day number 6, we tackle one of the most important parts of content creation, that is scripting and planning your videos. If you often ramble, forget your points, or struggle to stay concise, this lesson is for you. If you forget what you are going to say during the video, maybe you plan to say something, then along the video you forget what to say, what you wanted to say. Then you realize later on after the video to say, I wanted to say this. Then today I'm going to help you to stay on track, to make sure that everything that you plan to put on your video is actually included in the video. So the first part is going to be explaining why scripting is important, why you must write a script for your video, right? So scripting is very important because it is a game changer. Like in your case, you want to be monetized for your content creation, so everything that you say, it must have order. It must show that you have planned your videos in advance, you have practiced your videos in advance, and you know everything that you're going to say. So scripting will keep your messages clear and concise. Your messages are going to be clear. Everything that you're going to say is going to be clear because it will be laid right in front of you. Like in my case, I have my script that I follow. I don't know if you can notice it, but I am reading from my screen right now. So scripting, it also builds confidence on camera, right? You will learn, you have everything that you're going to say ready for you in front of your camera. So when you start recording, you will know for sure that you have everything that you're going to say in the right order. Then you simply have to record yourself saying, delivering your message, and then boom, you are done. Now, scripting saves editing time. So if you just record a video without scripting, subtitles, doing quite a lot of work. So if you script your videos, you will know what you are going to say, and you will know when you are going to say it. That is a game changer, especially if you are making a lot of videos. Like what I'm doing now, I make quite a lot of videos per day, maybe 2 or 3. They all need to be edited. I have to make sure I spend 2-3 hours on each video editing it. So if you don't know what you say, if you don't have a script for your video, it will be very difficult for you to edit the video. So save your time to edit the videos, just write a script. As simple as that. So I'm going to teach you now how to write a script and how to keep on track with your script. Perfect. The last advantage of writing a script is boosting your audience retention. People, they want to learn something. So if you just say things randomly out of your mind, then it will be very difficult for people to follow through whatever you are saying. So If you script, it means you are going to have order. You are going to have a way that you are going to say your things. Everything will be planned in advance. So when you're in front of the camera, it will be easy for you to flow through with your content. You see? So here's some examples. Let's compare two TikTok creators, like you and the other person who is watching the video before you. So these you two content creators, one rambles for 60 seconds, they just say anything. The other one delivers 3 clear points in 30 seconds. Which one of these two will you follow? Okay, two TikTok content creators, one just rambles through for 30 seconds or for 60 seconds. The other one will deliver 3 clear points in a matter of 30 seconds. Which one are you going to follow? So it is obvious, the one who delivers the points in the shortest time possible is the one you are going to follow. Right, so now we know the advantages of scripting. Then let's go to the actual part of scripting the video. How can you script a video? How can you write the script? What are you going to include? What are you going to leave out? How can you grab their attention? How can you do the introduction, the body, the conclusion, and the CTA? All these things are there in the script. So the structure of a great video, I think for this one, since this is a masterclass, you need to write down these. So here is a very simple structure of a video. The first thing that you need to do is called a hook. H-O-O-K, a hook. This is between 0 to 3 seconds. When you welcome your guests, tell them what the purpose of the video is. Okay? So grab attention fast. Grab attention fast in the first 3 seconds. So examples will be like, do you struggle with getting views? Here is how I got 1,000 followers in 3 days. These are some great hooks that you can implement, you can use. You can use questions, you can use problem statement, you can do this so that you grab the attention of the people. Introduction. So this is the second part of a video. You need to introduce yourself and your topic. You need to introduce yourself and your topic. So you say I am, then you put your name. And in this video, I'll show you how to plan a viral video from scratch. Okay, depending on the topic that you are presenting, I am so and so. In this video, I'm going to do this and this and this. You are introducing. This will take you up to 10 seconds to do the introduction. Yes, some people are so advanced that on the introduction, they have prepared an introduction already, which does everything for them with the background, with the images, with the videos, and everything else. But for you as a beginner, it is wise that you simply go straight. I am so and so. I'm going to do this and this and this in the video. Welcome. Enjoy the video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, to post, like, subscribe. Right? So you let the people know in advance or very early what the video about. The body of your video. Right? The body is where you deliver the value. At least between 2 to 4 points, depending on how long the video is. So 2 to 4 key points can be included in a video. Normally I'm including 3 parts. In all my videos so far, this is video number 6, each video has got a maximum of 3 parts in the body, where I explore everything relating to learning, content creation, videos, and everything. So depending on how long the video, maybe it's a 30-second video for TikTok, you need to do this in a few seconds. If it's maybe 1 minute for a reel, you can do this in 50 seconds. So it's up to you, or it depends with how long is the video, so that the body also responds to that length. Now, in the body, use numbers, steps, or quick examples. For example, step 1, write your hook. Step 2, add one main point. Step 3, wrap up with a CTA. So that is how you can write the body of your video. Right. Then lastly, we have got a call to action. A CTA, a call to action. This is mostly the last part, and we reserve maybe 1 minute. If it's a long video, the last minute or the last 2 minutes. If it's a short video, the last 5 to 10 seconds of your video is the CTA, or the call to action. Here you are asking your audience to do something, to respond to your video in a certain way. There are several responses. You can say like the video, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. So you see, all these are CTA. So you ask your audience to do any of those ones. Like you can say, follow me for more tips, subscribe for tomorrow's lesson, drop a like if this has helped you. You can use bullets, you can use not full sentences. You don't have to memorize, just know your flow. So when you are presenting your topics or your points, there's no need to use bullets like you are writing. No full sentences. In case you are wondering, my grammar is not quite right, just write the way you speak naturally. Okay? Here are some tools that can help you to plan or to script your videos. You can use these tools, they are online, but as well, you can also not use these tools. Suppose you don't have time to set up all these tools, to create the accounts, upload everything, start typing, start writing. All these things, they will take you time. So I'm going to give you, so that in case some of you have got the time and you have got the patience to work with these softwares, they will be great for you. There is Notion, Google Docs. These are very simple scripting platforms that you can use, and the thing is, they are free. We can also use teleprompter apps. You can also use voice memo apps, those that do transcription, all this. So these apps are there on Google. Go on Google, find them, learn how to use them. Then maybe you test them, find which one works better for you, and stick to it. Planning for a video. So how do you plan a video? You want to do a video, you want to do a TikTok video, how do you plan it? You want to do a YouTube video, how do you plan it? Well, your planning should include a topic. So you need to have a topic, a format. You need to have a format, you need to choose how is your format going to be. Okay, so for the format, we have got a talking head, we have got a screen share, we have got a tutorial. All these are formats that are available for you to adopt. Location. In this one, we are talking of the background and lights. Then the last one is timing. For 60 seconds, it can be, for TikTok, it's 60 seconds, and for YouTube, it can be 5 minutes. It depends on the content that you are preparing. So the time depends on what you want to deliver and on which platform. So I'm sure you know some of these things. So you just need to implement, adjust these plans, and then make them yours. Adopt them, use them in your videos, and then you are going to see tremendous change. Example, buy a window and shoot in portrait and end with a CTA. Very simple like that. How to grow on Facebook. 3 tips that you need to share in your video. You need to record in a daylight. There should be enough light. Then you need to shoot in portrait. When you say portrait, it means your phone is upright, right? So it depends on where you are watching from. Like for me, I've got both phones. One is on portrait, the other one is on landscape. So the portrait one is for Facebook, the landscape is for YouTube. They all record at the same time, and that saves me time, editing time, and it has worked well for me for quite a long time like that. So, right, the practical task. This is the part which I like most, because this is where you put into practice what you have learned in this video. It is a very good habit to always practice this, because it is going to benefit you in the long way. It is you who is going to benefit. So always practice this. If you don't mind, you can share it in the comments, you can share it in the WhatsApp group. You are welcome to do that. So here is the practical task for today. Choose one topic from your niche. Remember, we discussed about the niche in the previous videos. So choose just one topic from your content pillars. Then script your videos using the 4-part structure that we have discussed above. Then rehearse it loud. Rehearse it loud. Rehearse it loud. Okay? Then you share your script in the WhatsApp and Facebook, or here on YouTube for review. Yes, we can give you feedback. You can come to the inbox straight away. Then with your script, I'm going to help you if you really need help. So planning and scripting will give you power over your content. It's the bridge between idea and execution. So you have the idea in your mind, you put it on paper, that is execution now. When the idea is from your mind to your paper, you are executing the idea. Then when it comes to scripting, that is when you are putting on paper or you are writing down on the scripting apps, and then boom, you do your videos. So just remember, as we close, raw talent is great and I know you have it, but a planned content will always win online. So just a recap of what we have done, of what we have learned today, the 4-point or the 4-part script formula: the hook, the introduction, the body, and CTA. So this is very important for every video. You must have a hook, an intro, a body, and CTA. Keep it tight, valuable, and fast-paced. Use tools if you struggle to remember the lines, so you can write down some of the lines. Practice and improve every day. Don't forget to share, to like, comment, subscribe for the next video, and tomorrow we are going to continue again with our videos. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day.